Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Welcome to the daily market analysis of October 1st, 2024. Time is just flying by. Pretty soon it's going to be 2025. It is 7:25 in the morning, really late to the party today. But I've been doing some analysis. I'm going to start always with dollar yen because this is the one. Although sterling is now creating some confusion, even deeper confusion for me, because obviously it doesn't want to rally, and we're getting into a very, very, very tricky phase. It's tricky. We're going to figure it out. All right. So yesterday we said that dollar yen needed to stay above 141.92. That was like the support pivot of the day. And we had resistance at 143.14 and 143.87. It surpassed that, it went higher. Now I did fib calculation. We almost hit the 618 of this leg that was coming down right here. I took a measurement of the leg to find the resistance levels up, and we almost hit the 618. And of course, I was asleep. Now the coffin box sat up in between the 0.618 and the 0.82, so it didn't quite get up here. You know, the coffin box was up here, so it didn't make it. Now, if you, I thought I did a video on the. I think I did the video on the coffin box about the Fibonacci, one of my Fibonacci's, but. Anyway, where we stand right now. Okay, here, I got to do a quick calculation. Let me put this on pause. Okay. Dollar yen, by it breaking below like this 144, this actually 50% level of the leg, it's showing that the dollar has some weakness, and it can start drifting back lower towards the TRN at 143.14. It should find support at like 142.90, 142.50. If it breaks that, we're going back down towards that low of 141.74. Now, in order for it to show strength, it needs to get over 144, I would think like 15. And then it's going to try to get to the upper TRN at 144.95. I may have to do an update because the volatility analysis I'm doing is basically contradicting itself, and it's not only confusing me, it's going to confuse you. So I may have to do an update. But as we stand right now, being below 144, say 144, the figure level is showing weakness. It needs to get above 144, say 15, to start to show some strength. Let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. Alrighty, sterling. Hang on here. All right, sterling dollar. Right now, it needs to get above 133.68 to show any type of strength. We're heading right now towards a minor support at this 133.05 level. It's really, sterling is really, really, really taking me off guard here. It's actually showing weakness now to 132.80. If it breaks 132.80, we're going to be starting to heading towards those lower levels that we talked about in the weekly analysis. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Not many people looked at it. I'm shocked. It was really good analysis for this upcoming week. But cable right now is showing weakness. It needs to get above 133, say 70. In order to start to show some strength again. We have support at 132.80, minor support at 133. The figure And we need to get through 134.34 in order to show some real strength to try to attack that previous top up at 135.65. So let's get on to sterling yen. Okay, with sterling yen, believe it or not, of course, we're sitting really right on an important point at 191.30. Okay, if it breaks 191.30, it's heading down towards the 190.81 level and the 190.34 level. It needs right now to get above 191.90 to start to show some strength. So really this 191.30 level is an important level. And if it can hold and we can get above, say, 191.90, we're starting to show that it's picking up some more strength to try to get back up to this high. It went a little bit further yesterday than I thought that it was going to go. But that's markets, you know. I mean, I said in my last video, I said, like, if it got up to like 192, I'd look to sell it. I didn't, you know, I didn't sell it, you know, and I said, holy smokes, this thing wants to go higher, but I didn't expect it to go. I didn't think it was going to break, you know, 192, 193, the figure, really. I thought maybe the figure, 193, the figure, maybe 193.10, but it did go a little bit higher to the 193.40 before, you know, it cooled off. But this 191.30 level, 25 level is a really important level. So let's move on to good old Euro yen. Okay, right now we got Euro yen. In order for Euro yen to show any type of strength, it needs to get above 159.80. It should have some support at 158.98. Well, let's use this support right here. 158.89. Okay, and then 158.45. If it can crawl above 159.80, you know, we got a shot at 160.52 again. Like well, first we got to get through 160.17, and then we have the high of last evening at 160.88, which is actually the target for this thing again. If it can get through 159.80, it's like 160.88. It's the target. If it can break 160.88, there's resistance right behind it at 160.10. So there we have the points for our currencies for today. Please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get some, you know, when I'm putting out new content. I always try to do my best to help you guys and gals out. Please leave some comments below. Tell me what you think of my analysis. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.